Imagine owning your own slice of paradise, having fun and relaxing on the shore. Today, we're exploring 5 incredible private islands, starting at just $100,000 and going all the way up to a jaw-dropping $100 million. Stick around to see which island you'd choose to escape to forever. Our first stop is the affordable island Getaway, priced at a mere $100,000. Located in Nova Scotia, Canada, this charming island is perfect for those looking to start their island-owning journey without breaking the bank. For just $100,000, you can own 1.5 acres of lush greenery, featuring a cozy 2-bedroom cottage and private beach access. It's ideal for fishing, kayaking, and bird watching. The island has a rich history, previously owned by a local fisherman who used it as a retreat for weekend getaways. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and the sight of a sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean. The island is accessible by a short boat ride, and the surrounding waters are teeming with marine life, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Who knew you could own an island for the price of a luxury car? This is your chance to live the island life on a budget. Next up, we have Tranquil Haven, a peaceful retreat located in Fiji. This island offers a blend of solitude and natural beauty, making it the perfect escape for nature lovers. Priced at $500,000, Tranquil Haven spans 5 acres of pristine land. It features a traditional Fijian Bure-style house, crystal clear waters for snorkeling and diving, and stunning coral reefs surrounding the island. The previous owner, an Australian entrepreneur, transformed the island into a tropical paradise, perfect for yoga retreats and nature walks. The house itself is a masterpiece of traditional Fijian architecture, with open spaces designed to let in the tropical breeze and provide stunning views of the ocean. The coral reefs around the island are among the most beautiful in the world, offering incredible opportunities for snorkeling and diving. With breathtaking views and serene surroundings, Tranquil Haven is the epitome of a tropical paradise. For those with a bit more to spend, Adventure Island in Belize is an exciting option. It's perfect for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts. For $1 million, you get 10 acres of adventurous terrain, including a luxury villa with modern amenities. The island also has a private dock for yachts and boats and is close to the famous Blue Hole for diving. The island was previously owned by a renowned explorer who used it as a base for his diving expeditions. The villa is equipped with all the modern amenities you could need, including a fully equipped kitchen, spacious living areas, and multiple bedrooms with stunning ocean views. The island's terrain is perfect for ziplining, hiking, and exploring. Imagine ziplining through the jungle or diving into crystal clear waters. Adventure Island offers endless fun and excitement. Now we're stepping up to the big leagues with Serenity Island, a luxurious retreat in the Maldives. This island offers unparalleled privacy and elegance. At $10 million, Serenity Island offers 20 acres of exclusive property. It features high-end resort-style living quarters, a spa and wellness center, and overwater bungalows with direct ocean access. The previous owner, a wealthy business tycoon, developed the island into a private sanctuary, complete with all the luxuries one could imagine. The resort-style living quarters include multiple villas, each with private pools and direct access to the beach. The spa and wellness center offers a range of treatments, from massages to yoga sessions, all designed to help you relax and unwind. The overwater bungalows provide the perfect place to enjoy the stunning sunsets and crystal clear waters of the Maldives. If you're looking for luxury and tranquility, Serenity Island is your dream come true. Finally, we have the crown jewel of private islands, Opulent Oasis, located in the Bahamas. This island is the epitome of extravagance and opulence. For the ultimate in luxury living, Opulent Oasis is priced at $100 million and offers 50 acres of pure luxury. It includes multiple mansions with state-of-the-art facilities, a private marina and helipad, a championship golf course, and 24/7 staff, including chefs, butlers, and security. The island was once owned by a famous Hollywood actor who hosted numerous star-studded parties on its pristine beaches. The main mansion is a work of art, featuring grand living spaces, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and luxurious bedrooms with en-suite bathrooms. The private marina can accommodate yachts of all sizes, while the helipad ensures easy access for guests. The championship golf course is perfect for those who enjoy a round of golf in a stunning setting. With 24/7 staff including chefs, butlers, and security, Opulent Oasis offers everything you could ever dream of and more. And there you have it, 5 private islands ranging from $100,000 to $100 million. Whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge, there's an island out there for you. Each island comes with its own unique features and history, making them all incredibly special. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest luxury finds. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.